Ako sa account ni Vic. Gagamitan ko lang to ng dito sa browser sa weflextv.com/stv/. Okay, so ito yon www.weflextv.com/stv. So ito usually ginagamit natin pag smart TV ginagamit natin, or pwede din sa sa laptop mo or desktop. Okay, so ilagin natin account login. Okay, username. Ano ba username niya? Okay, it's Vic Vflex TV. Okay, and password. Okay, and login. Check natin. Okay, it's updated. Just wait for a while. Okay, this is not Netflix that it appears right away. It takes time. Why? Because we do have live TV. Always remember, Netflix has only had the movies and the series. They don't have the live TV. So it's normal to take a while. Okay, talagang normal lang ho yan to take a while na maglo-loading siya. So again, this is your account. Let's try to click the live TV. Okay, let's click the UK TV. Okay, so ito yon. This I'm using extended monitor. This is not my laptop. My laptop is here at the other side. So let's click the UK TV. Okay, this is the BBC One High Definition UK. Remember, most of the cables right now are using standard definition, not high definition, standard definition. So let's click it here. Okay, it's loading for a while.
But other companies, though, do not have the same negotiating power as the likes of Rupert Murdoch's News Corp or Google, for that matter, to determine who gets.
Let's go to the other channel, like for example, Philippine TV. Okay, so let's go for Animal Planet. Okay. So it's loading because it's live channel.
They just shoot up. It's quite incredible.
Okay.
What I find so amazing is it's from standing.
The caracal can get close to the reach of a tiger's.
Remember here, I'm using only a 10 Mbps internet connection. Okay, so let's say for example, you go for Philippine Sports. So let's click the NBA TV or other. Okay, so yan, NBA TV. Normally, it's maglo-load siya. See?
PNC Bank believes that if an app can help you track your pizza, then your bank should have the technology to help you track.
Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to the video in demand. Okay. Hello, wait. Let's say ito. Let's click the Monster Hunter, the new 2020 movies right now. So let's click this. See? It's there. Okay? It's a Monster Hunter. Okay, let's go to the other one. Let's say for example, Palmer. Okay, 2021. See? It's there. Okay, let's go to series. Okay, let's click series. So let's click this Walker. Okay. Season 1. Right? Click the episode 1. There you go. So I hope this will help also. Again, try mo lang dyan sa inyo sa Sweden kung tingnan natin kung ano, dahil hanapan natin ng paraan para mag-work out everything will be work out. Okay? So thank you.